Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to use soil improvement zones in DeepEX software. In DeepEX, we can draw soil zones directly on the model area in any construction stage and apply any soil type. We have created a 30 feet deep excavation model with 2 levels of struts and an inclined surface, including all construction stages. We access the Soil Types dialog, where we can define the soil properties. We select the medium dense sand soil S1 and select to create a clone soil. We access the new soil type, change the name and color, and we can adjust all properties. Back in the DeepEX model area, under the Custom Soil Layers menu, we select to draw a new soil zone. We click on points on the model area clockwise to specify the soil improvement zone, and we press Enter after the last click. We double-click on the added soil zone and assign the new created soil type. We can also access and edit the exact coordinates for each point of the soil zone perimeter. In this case, we will deactivate the soil zone in our model last stage, add a new stage, and reactivate it. This way, we can see the effect of the soil zone to the pressure and wall stress results. We analyze the model with the limit equilibrium method. By checking the result graphs through the last 2 stages, we notice the difference in the soil pressures and wall moment diagrams, as well as on the support reactions. Thank you. Sign up now for your free demo and discover how our software can elevate your engineering designs.